guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be installing this beautiful wig from SlayShay. It is a 13x4 frontal HD lace wig and it is 22 inches. It's also in the texture body wave.
Anywhere I can, I want to share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love.
So this is the cap construction. It has 4 clips on the inside, a wig band sewed inside, and also some adjustable bands in the back of the wig, or adjustable straps in the back. Do y'all see the body on this wig? I also want to point out like how beautiful the knots were before and after me bleaching them. Like, I just love a single knotted wig, like not the double knots, the single knots, because they just look so natural. Also want to point out, like, do y'all see that lace? No, y'all don't. Like, this is, I've been wearing wigs for a minute. This is some real HD lace. So I'm forever going to use this glue. I'm forever going to promote this glue. It is the best glue I've ever tried. It is the Iamerica J Hold Me Down Lace Adhesive. If you don't got you some, get you some. I'm going to be using 3 coats in this install. Make sure when you apply them, you rub them, or you apply a very thin layer. Let it dry clear. Apply your next layer and so forth.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
So right here is a FYI moment. I struggle with the ear tabs. I have a pretty big head. My head is a size 23 when it comes to wigs, and the ear tabs were a real struggle. The reason it took me so long with this install was because I was struggling with the ear tabs and trying to get them to work. So, you know, just keep that in mind. You're going to hear me mention it again at the end of the video. But yeah, the ear tabs were a struggle for me.
And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on an every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around,
It took me forever to do this install. It really did. I know y'all saw me in a video struggling, but I finally got her on and she's gorgeous. Like, do y'all see that? No, y'all don't. That lace, yeah, that lace is HD. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. The ear tabs, I got a big head. I'm a size 23 when it come to my head and it come to wigs. I had to finesse the ear tabs a little bit. It just really do help out when you try to conceal something. Because the lace is very HD. It's very HD. And I didn't need nobody clocking me. So I just pulled some baby hairs down, real extra, not too much. Because I had to cover up the fact that it fit everywhere else, but it did not fit where I needed it to fit. It did not fit on the ear tabs. That was my only like real issue with this wig. But I mean, if you can finesse it, you can finesse it. I know y'all saw me like, who told my, sorry y'all, my heat decided to turn on. But besides that, this wig is gorgeous. Like the lace, the hair texture, and she said it was 22 inches. Y'all gonna see in the little video I'm gonna do when I show y'all my hair and stuff like that. It's longer than 22 inches. Like, I've been wearing weave for a minute. It's curled, so it might look like 22 inches. It's really like 24. It's really pushing 24. But besides that ear tab issue, if you girls have smaller heads, this will work better for you. If my girls that have bigger heads, you know, before you order the wig, just ask her about the details. Ask her if there's any accommodations that she can do. You know, if there's any customizing, which she does make custom wigs as well, but then she also has her like her ready to ship wigs. Yeah, but this is gorgeous. This was a gorgeous unit. I just want to say thank you, Shay. Don't forget to shop her website. Everything will be linked down below. Everything will be linked down below. But I want to say thank you for this unit. Thank you for trusting me to slay the install. Thank you for trusting me with your product and your investment. Thank you for investing in me. I really appreciate it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, don't forget to shop her website. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, as well as all my social medias. Don't forget to connect with me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next. And I know I repeated myself, but don't clock me.